In the fertilized container, on day 1, the pH level is 7.39 and the temperature is 29.6 and the salinity is 0.48 and the leaf is 6, but measured by 4.5 centimeter. On day 4, the pH level is 7.34 and the temperature is 29.50, the salinity is 0.50, the leaf is 8 measured by 4.3 centimeter. On day 7, the pH level is 7.29 and the temperature is 29.7, the salinity is 0.52 and the leaf is 12 measured by 5.2 centimeter. On day 10, the pH level is 7.29 and the temperature is 29.6. The salinity is 0.555 and the leaf is 14 measured by 5.4 centimeter. The last day, in the day 14, the pH level is 7.24 and the temperature is 29.8. The salinity is 0.56 and the leaf is measured by 5.5 centimeter. Based sa among na-collect na data in terms of pH level, temperature, salinity, and sa growth sa plants, it showed na mas bigger ang development of daghan ang leaf sa naay fertilizer, which is addition of ammonium phosphate compared to control, which is the non-fertilized container.
In the non-fertilized container, day 1, the pH level is 7.53 and the temperature is 29.1. The salinity is 0.32 and the leaf is 8 and measured by 4.3 cm. On day 4, the pH level is 7.56 and the temperature is 29.1. The salinity is 0.33 and the leaf is 8 measured by 4.3 cm. On the day 7, the pH level is 7.59 and the temperature is 29.3. The salinity is 0.34 and the leaf is 10 measured by 4.65 cm. On day 10, the pH level is 7.62 and the temperature is 29.6. The salinity is 0.55 and the leaf is 11 measured by 4.75 cm. And in the day 14, the pH level is 7.64 and the temperature is 29.4 and the salinity is 0.36 and the leaf is 11 measured by 4.75 cm.
Today I will report the difference between the fertilized and non-fertilized section of our experiment. First, plants grow in the fertilized container. The plants grow taller, bigger, and with more leaves. Mas kusog ang pagtubo sa tanom tungod sa ammonium phosphate, while in the non-fertilized section, the plants were smaller and weaker. Mas gamay ang tubo ug hinay. Second, pH level. The fertilized water became slightly acidic over time. Niubos gamay ang pH tungod sa fertilizer. Sa non-fertilizer, nisa ka ang pH so mas alkaline siya. Next is temperature. The temperature stay almost the same for both treatment. Wala gid siya dakong epekto pareho sa halos kainit sa duha ka setup. Lastly, salinity. The fertilized section had higher salinity, misa kagamay ag kaan alat sa tubig, while the non-fertilized mas normal ang alat dito. Overall, the fertilized clearly improved plant growth, but it also changed the water pH and salinity.
Nutrient cycling process, where essential elements like nitrogen and phosphorus moves rapidly between water, plants, animals, soil, and sediments. These nutrients do not stay in one place. Instead, they constantly flow through different parts of an ecosystem. Example in our simulation. When ammonium phosphate fertilizer was added to the water, it increased the amount of available nitrogen from the ammonium and phosphorus from the phosphate. These nutrients are important because plants need them to grow. Nitrogen helps plants develop strong leaves and stem, while phosphorus supports root growth and energy transfer. With more nitrogen and phosphorus in the water, plants can perform photosynthesis more efficiently. This means they can make more food for themselves leading to faster and healthier growth. As the plants grow, they also produce organic matter, such as leaves, stems, and roots. When these plant parts die and decompose, they release the nutrients they contain back into the water and sediments. This returns nitrogen and phosphorus to the ecosystem, allowing the cycle to continue. In other words, the nutrients are reused again and again rather than disappearing. So that's how nutrient cycling process works in our simulation.
Effects of nutrient addition in growth pH and other factors. The addition of ammonium phosphate helped the plant to grow faster and healthier by supplying important nutrients needed for plant production. These nutrients help plants to grow more leaves and develop larger leaf surfaces. However, nutrient addition also influenced by pH decrease in fertilized set up due to nitrification and increased biological activity. Salinity increased slightly because fertilizer contributes to dissolve ions. Temperature remained stable, showing it was not a major factor in growth differences.
Importance of nutrient cycling in natural ecosystem. Nutrient cycling is very important in maintaining the function and productive of ecosystem. It ensures a continuous supply of essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and carbon, allowing organisms to grow, reproduce, and maintaining metabolic function. Without nutrient cycling, ecosystem would quickly loses and nutrient, leading to reduced plant growth, weaker food webs, and decreased biodiversity. There are three most important of nutrient cycling in natural ecosystem. First, nitrogen, essential for protein synthesis, growth, and overall plant and animal development. Second, phosphorus, critical for energy transfer, ATP, DNA, and cell membrane structures. Third, carbon, the backbone of all organic molecules, crucial for energy, storage, structures, and function in living organisms.
Second is how nutrient cycling maintains balance and supports plant growth. Nutrient cycling maintains ecosystem balance by ensuring the nutrients are reused and distributed through various processes such as decomposition, mineralization, nitrification, and plant uptake. In aquatic ecosystems, plants depend on these cycles to obtain the nitrogen and phosphorus needed for photosynthesis and structural development, such as balanced nutrient cycling supports healthy plant growth, stable water chemistry, proper interactions between organisms, and prevention of nutrient depletion or overloaded.
Activity demonstrates that nutrient cycling plays an important role in maintaining healthy aquatic ecosystem. The fertilization shows significantly greater plant growth to increase availability of nitrogen and phosphorus, confirming that supporting biological demonstrate that nutrient cycling plays an important role in maintaining healthy aquatic ecosystem. Example, the fertilization shows significantly greater plant growth due to increased availability of nitrogen and phosphorus, confirming the importance of nutrients in supporting biological productivity. In pH and salinity further illustrate how nutrient addition affects both biological and chemical components of an ecosystem.